let's go check out the Scott Aspect 960.
Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. We are headed to Velo Studio once again, and being an authorized Scott dealer, he does have all the vehicles, so we're going to go there to check out the Scott Aspect 960.
So this is a Scott Aspect 960. The 960 is a 29er alloy frame bike. The drivetrain on this bike is a 16-speed. There's a Shimano turny rear derailleur and a Shimano Altus front derailleur. At the back, you have an 8-speed cassette, and in the front, you have a double crank from Pro Wheel. On the front, you have a 100mm coil suspension from SR Sunroof. While this does not have a lockout, this does come with a load adjuster. Continuing on with the front, you have a 720mm alloy handlebar. This has a 20-degree rise. This handlebar is mounted on a 55mm stem. This stem has a 10-degree rise. The brakes on this bike are disc brakes. There are 160mm hydraulic disc brakes from Tektro. The double-wall alloy rims on this bike are from Alex rims. They are made for Syncross. And on this is mounted Kenda booster tires, which are 2.4 by 29ers. And now, let's check out the weight of the bike. So the weight of this bike is, well, 15 kgs. Well guys, if you're interested in buying this bike, drop by Velo Studio. They have it in ready stock and they will do a bike fit for you so that you get the maximum comfort while riding this bike. If you're looking to upgrade your bike, well, put your old bike up for sale on Find Better. Over here, you can actually put it on a community, you can have a discussion and get a good price for your bike. With a price of $50,400, this is a Scott Aspect 960. Well guys, that's it for now. Until next time, safe ride everyone.